Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm going to show you how to create a bundle offer inside your stand store so you can sell multiple products together and increase your revenue per customer. First, what is a bundle offer? A bundle is when you group two or more digital products together and sell them as one package for a special price. This helps you boost the value of each sale, encourage buyers to purchase more at once, increase the perceived value without creating something brand new. Example, instead of selling just a mini course for $47, you bundle it with a workbook and a content calendar for $97. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Click Add New Offer. Inside your stand dashboard, click the Add New Offer button. Step 2. Choose Bundle Offer. Stan will ask you what type of offer you're creating. Select Bundle. Step 3. Name your bundle offer. Pick a clear, exciting name that highlights the full value. Example, Content Creator Starter Kit. Launch your offer bundle. Step 4. Select the products you want to include. Stan will show you a list of all the products you've already uploaded. Click to select 2 or more products you want to bundle together. Make sure the products fit together naturally. You want the bundle to feel like one smooth solution, not random pieces thrown together. Step 5. Set the bundle price. Bundle pricing strategy. Make it cheaper than buying everything separately, but still highlight the value inside. Example, if each product separately costs $47, $27, and $17.91 total, you could price the bundle at $67 or $77. This makes buyers feel like they're getting a deal and encourages them to buy now instead of later. Step 6. Customize the checkout page. Just like a regular product, you can add a short description of what's inside. Add testimonials if you have them. Connect Stripe, PayPal for payments. Step 7. Publish your bundle. Once you preview everything and you're happy, click Publish. Your bundle offer will now appear in your stand store, ready for buyers to grab. You can highlight it at the top of your store for more visibility.